Okay, let's start. First, open your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to go to settings. Then click on see all settings. In the general tab, scroll down until you see the signature section. If you already have a signature, you can edit it here, or you can create a new one by clicking create new signature. Give your signature a name and start editing. To add your LinkedIn profile or logo, go to Google and search for the LinkedIn logo. And in the signature section, click on the image icon. Upload the logo image from your device. Once the image is uploaded, you can adjust its size by selecting it and clicking on the small option. Then click on the insert link icon. Here, paste your LinkedIn profile link. To get your LinkedIn profile link, click on your name on LinkedIn to go to your profile. Copy the URL from the address bar and paste it into the link field in Gmail. Click OK, and now your LinkedIn logo is linked to your profile. Anyone who clicks on it will be directed to your LinkedIn profile. Finally, don't forget to save your changes by clicking Save Changes at the bottom. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.